Hi guys, welcome to Vinny's Artisan Journey. It's my pleasure to share with you how to DIY a natural hand sanitizer spray with essential oil. Here are the ingredients and the materials needed. We may need 20 ml glass spray bottle, 1 teaspoon of carrier oil which I'm using jojoba oil, 4 drops of tea tree essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of cedarwood essential oil, 3 drops of vitamin E oil, quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, quarter teaspoon of 100% pure aloe vera gel, and also 13 ml of rose water. Meanwhile, if you prefer something simpler and easier, you can refer to this simplified version of mine. We are using the glass spray bottle here instead of the plastic is because the essential oil which I'm using, the therapeutic grade here, over the time they can eat through the plastic container. It's very important to sterilize and disinfect the materials used to make our sanitizer. This applies to our glass beaker or jar, spoon, and also spatula. If you do not have any glass beaker at home, you can just use any glass jar. Here I've also prepared a funnel for my liquid formulation to go through the glass bottle easier. This formulation is natural and alcohol-free, so even kids are safe to use. To make things easier and systematic, I start off with all the oil-based ingredients first. Measure 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and pour into the glass beaker. If you don't have jojoba oil at home, you can just use sweet almond oil or coconut oil. Add in 4 drops of tea tree essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of cedarwood essential oil. If you think it's too hassle, you can just use tea tree oil. Make it 12 drops instead. Add in 3 drops of vitamin E oil. To make things easier for you, you can just use 3 capsules of your existing vitamin E oil supplement. Just cut open the capsule with the scissors and squeeze in the vitamin E oil into this mixture. Now I mix evenly the oil-based ingredients here with my glass spatula. Add in quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is actually optional here. You can do without, as I'm sure a lot of people might not have this at home. Well, just take note that if you do without vegetable glycerin, you can put more of aloe vera gel instead. Add in quarter teaspoon of 100% pure aloe vera gel. Vegetable glycerin offers a moisturizing and increased hydration for our skin, whereby aloe vera gel provides us a protection of soothing and healing effect. Now add in 13 ml of rose water. The reason I'm using digital scale here is to make things easier for you guys. Because prior to adding in rose water, all the other ingredients measure about 7 grams. Our glass spray bottle is 20 ml or 20 grams. So minus of 7 grams is approximately 13 ml or 13 grams of rose water we have to fill in. Wow, wow, wow! Our hand sanitizer here smells so heavenly. Feel free to try to make this for yourself as well as for your beloved family. Allow the liquid formulation to go through our glass spray bottle easily through a funnel. Slowly release the air trapped within the funnel so that the liquid can flow easily. Perhaps we can take this opportunity to look into the benefits of our essential oils used here. Tea tree oil, lavender oil, cedarwood oil. They have antiseptic, antiviral, antifungal, as well as antibacterial effect. This makes them excellent ingredient in our sanitizer spray. While jojoba oil, which we use as a carrier oil here, provide us super nourishing properties, vitamin E oil also have its own soothing, nourishing, and it acts as a natural preservative for our sanitizer spray. Rose water, on the other hand, is soothing and offers an antioxidant properties to our skin. If you can't get rose water, you can always use distilled water to substitute. Please remember to shake the bottle well every time before use. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, bye!